Welcome back to Quiz Domination. Today we're back with another exciting challenge, English Grammar Quiz. This is a fun and challenging game that will test your knowledge of English grammar. To play, simply watch the question and choose the correct answer. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each question. If you think you're up for the challenge, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing new quizzes every week, so you don't want to miss out. Secret message inside. Don't miss by skipping. Remember how many correct answers you get so you can calculate your score later. Let's go. She is a good student. I can't find my keys nowhere. The cat sat on the table. It's important to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. John is taller than Mary. She will arrive before the meeting starts. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep. I have never seen that movie before. He is allergic to peanuts. I don't have much money to buy a new car. She speaks English as well as her brother. The concert tickets are on sale now. I'm going to the store to buy some milk. My birthday is on April 15th. Do you like some more coffee? He is the smartest person I know. They are going to the beach on Saturday. The weather is getting colder. I can't wait to go on my vacation. Have you ever been to New York City? She plays the piano so beautifully. We'll have to leave when the traffic clears. He ran across the street to catch the bus. I need to buy some food for the party. She can speak French and Spanish. The teacher asked the students to be quiet. He is the most intelligent person I've met. My sister is going to visit us on the weekend. I don't like to eat many onions. The car that I bought is red. They went to the movies at night. She will call you when she gets home. The book is on the desk. Please pass me the salt. I'm not sure if I can make it to the party. The store is closed on Sundays. The meeting will start at 2 p.m. I can't believe you ate so much pizza. She arrived at the airport early. They usually go swimming in the summer. Secret message on the way. That's it for the English grammar quiz. How did you do? Comment down your score below. The person with the highest score will be pinned to the top of the comments. Did you forget to calculate your score? No worries. You can rewind and watch again and comment your score. I hope you enjoyed this quiz. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing new quizzes every week, so you don't want to miss out. If you want more interesting quizzes, check out this video. Thanks for watching.